Hey, this is Todd. We are in week 13 and electricians have come in and installed some of the boxes for running wire to, but I am here now to install the box in the office where all of my network and audio cabling are going to be run through that will then patch down into the rack. I have this Peerless AV box that I will show you kind of the parts and pieces, and then we will go through some of the install. But anyways, parts in the box are the frame that goes on at the last stage that makes everything look very pretty, and then the hardware, lag bolts, other screws and things that I'll do the install with. And then the actual box itself that has knockouts in it, as you can see, where in the office we have 3 conduits coming out of the floor. One of them is for fiber, 2 of them are for network. One is for the office floor and the other one is for the kitchen island. We will work on those, but that's kind of one of the last stage things as well. But I'm going to step through just installing the box in the framing. So here we go.